Bonus rooms over garages are notorious for being cold in the winter and hot in the summer. One of the main causes is unwanted airflow through leaks in the garage ceiling. Let's show you how we can help you solve this problem and make this space comfortable. The first thing we do is determine which direction the joists run, and then cut out access sections in the drywall. After removing sections of the drywall, we remove all existing insulation to allow the installation of the spray foam. We install an open cell spray foam that stops air movement and heat loss at the same time. When installing the spray foam, it is important that we fully fill the cavity. Using this method, we can keep the amount of drywall removed to a minimum because we can insulate about 4 feet on either side of the holes that we cut. Now that the foam is installed, we shave it flush where the drywall is being hung, and we rehang and finish the drywall. With a fully sealed and insulated floor, the room above will lose less heat and stay more comfortable year-round, helping you enjoy all the spaces in your home.